Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer insurance with Geico, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your insurance with Geico, start by gathering your account information. This includes your policy number and personal identification details. Next, visit the Geico website or open their mobile app. Log into your account using your username and password. If you haven't created an account, you can do so by clicking on the register option. Once logged in, navigate to the policy section of your account. Select the policy you wish to transfer. Look for an option labeled Transfer Policy or Change Policy. Click on that option to initiate the transfer process. You may be prompted to enter the details of the new vehicle or the person to whom you're transferring the insurance. Follow the on-screen instructions to provide necessary information, including the new vehicle identification number. Review the coverage options and make any necessary adjustments. After confirming your selections, submit the transfer request. You should receive a confirmation email regarding the transfer. Check your email for any additional steps or documents needed. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Geico's customer service for further assistance. They can guide you through the process and provide support. Once everything is completed, ensure your new policy documents are saved or printed for your records. Finally, make any required payments to finalize the transfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.